quite often you don't need complicated mechanics in your games. You just need a simple game that is location specific to make people move around. And there is a very simple tool in Loquiz game that will do exactly that. Let's say that we try to create a game and that has a different locations available. So there are different tasks, and we have 5 tasks here. And now the idea is that in whichever location I go, I can activate this task, do the task, and move on to the next task. And I can choose my tasks myself. And then also, if I have visited all the tasks, the game would end. So it's probably the simplest mechanic of all building location-based games. And there is a very easy way to do that within Loquiz. Let's see how it's done. Just go to the templates, scroll all the way down and choose the Rogain special tool. And this will create you a game where all the locations are visible to the player from the beginning, and the player can activate the tasks by going there, so it's location specific. I'm going to use collection, public library, so you have the same collection available and you can use the same tasks if you want to. Let's say I'm going to add 5 tasks. It's enough for showing what is happening. And the next step is to assign locations to these. So if the task would have a location already, that would be assigned here. But because we don't have locations assigned, then let me just add them in the center of Tallinn in different places. So just click on the map and the locations will be assigned one by one, and the icons will be shown, the same icons that are with the task. So we have 5 tasks on the map, and that is basically it. You can also see the radiuses, and these radiuses around the pins are actually then the activation area. So if the player goes into that area, the task will activate. The default is 10, and the recommendation is really not to use anything below 10. Then the next step is just to have the configuration ready. So I'll give it a name. Let's call it test Rogain. Then we need to type in or paste in the intro message. I will do that quickly as well. You can also type in finish message, and we are going to skip this at the moment. You can choose the language for the interface in the mobile device, and you can also choose the duration or end time, and let's put it 10 minutes at the moment here. So basically that is that. So we save the game, and we should have the game that we looked at previously.